Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mutiara Rezki. My student ID number is 230090. In this video, I want to explain and present an article under the title Improving Students' Reading Comprehension Through the Text Structure. So there are 5 subtopics in this article. The first is abstract, introduction, methodology, findings, and discussions. So the aim of this article is to find out how the text structure task can improve students' reading comprehension, and the research using classroom action research, and the subject is the 4th semester students of English department of FKIP Unisma in 2006, and using instruments of observation sheets and tests. And then let's talk about the main point of the article. So based on the research findings of the 4 cycles carried out, then conclusion can be drawn that the text structure task is prepared to improve the reading comprehension ability of English students. This is indicated by the increase of the average score of the students from 67.65 in the pre-test to 75.88 in the post-test. From 4 actions in the cycle, in the article, it can be concluded that there are 6 steps taken from improvement students' reading comprehension through text structure task. The first is asking students the type of writing that the author uses, and then asking students to find the writer's best set text, and then asking students to discover how the text was developed, and then students' word in pairs to discover how the ideas are classified into groups, and then asking students to find the main idea of the paragraph, and then teacher asking students to discover each interconnected paragraph. In teaching stage, the application of text structure that improves students' reading ability comprehension skills require 3 stages. The first is pre-reading stage, and then the second one is Will's reading stage, and then the last one is post-reading stage. Let's see the pre-reading stage. There are 3 activities actually carried out by the teacher in this stage. The first one is opening by greeting from the teacher. Teacher greets the students, and then versa versa, the students greet the teacher as well. And to spend time efficiently, the teacher asking the captain who is not absent, and then checking the students' attendance, and then activating the students' prior knowledge about what they know from the text. And in the reading phase or Will's reading stage, several activities can carried out. The first one is the teacher sends a copy of the questions about the structure of the text that can help students focus on the text structure task. And the second time is helping students identify the sign words. After students find the sign words, then the discussions continues to identify the structure of the text that the teacher asks about. The first is what type of writing did the author use? In what way did the author arrange a text, and how the text is developed, how ideas are classified into groups, what the main idea of paragraph, what is the topic of each paragraph, how each paragraph relates to one another. While the teacher and students discuss the above questions, the teacher can help students by step-by-step summarizing the related ideas between paragraphs, and this is very helpful for students and it is very important for students to draw constructions of text content, because by doing this, students will have an overall understanding of the text. And then the last stage is post-reading stage. In post-reading stage, comprehension questions were used as a final test. This has been completed straightened skills or knowledge acquired in lessons. Besides, students get feedback from the teacher so that the students know whether their answers are right or wrong. In this post-test is also used to evaluate the effectiveness of the strategies used by the teacher, and to emphasize teaching points, and then uh, helping students to summarize or conclude the material. And then the evaluation stage. In this evaluation stage, um, it can be said that the teacher carried out teaching and learning based on the students, the scenario, and students demonstrate enthusiastic in participating in class activities. That can be said that the average score of students increased by 67.65 from the pretest, and to 675.88 in post-test. That which was categorized for B plus, and there were no students got below 660. So this is the main reason no more cycles are needed, because the result has met success. It has success in the criteria that are used in the test. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.